पेडागोजी एमसीक्यूज नंबर 12 लेके आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इंशाल्लाह ये वीडियो बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद साबित होगी आप लोगों के लिए। तो आप लोगों ने वीडियो को आखिर तक देखना है। अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए और उसके साथ साथ बेल का आइकन भी दबाएं ताकि आने वाले वीडियोस आप तक आसानी से पहुंच सके। ये तमाम एस्पिरेंट्स एफपीएससी, एनटीएस, पीपीएससी और जितने भी टीचिंग रिलेटेड जॉब्स है लाइक ईटीईए फॉर केपीके, तो ये तमाम टीचिंग जॉब्स के लिए ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो को आखिर तक देख लीजिएगा। अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यूज। द बुक अ ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ टाइम इज रिटन बाय डैश A. Aristotle, B. John Dewey, C. Robert Sternberg, D. Stephen Hawking. So the right answer is going to be, it is D. Stephen Hawking. According to the law of effect, if a stimulus results in a positive outcome, the S2R bond is dash. A. Strengthened, B. Weakened, C. Stabilized, D. Unstabilized. Unsterilized. So the right answer would be, it is A. Strengthened. According to the dash, S to R bond are stronger if an individual is ready to learn. A. Law of effect, B. Law of exercise, C. Law of readiness, D. Law of connectionism. So the right answer would be, it is C. Law of readiness. There is dash in working memory as people gets older. A. Upgradation, B. Degradation, C. No change, D. A slight change. The right answer would be B. Degradation. Which from the following is not a formal assessment? A. Interview, B. Observation, C. Project, D. Quizzes. So the right answer would be, it is observation. What was the relation between Plato and Aristotle? Plato was student of Aristotle, B. Aristotle was student of Plato, C. Plato and Aristotle were brothers, D. Plato and Aristotle were colleagues. So the right answer is going to be, it is B. Aristotle was student of Plato. The cognitive domain involves dash. A. Learning, B. Knowledge, C. Manner, D. Physical movement. So the right answer is going to be, it is B. Knowledge. Good reading aims at developing dash. A. Understanding, B. Sensitivity, C. Pronunciation, D. Increasing factual knowledge. So the right answer would be, it is A. Understanding. Success in developing values is mainly developed upon dash. A. Family, B. Society, C. Government, D. Teacher. So the right answer would be, it is D. Teacher. How does an effective teacher make students attentive in class? A. By distributing sweets, B. By punishing naughty children, C. By making one's teaching interesting, D. By telling stories. So the right answer would be, it is C. By making one's teaching interesting. Conferences are face-to-face dash. A. Discussions, B. Negotiations, C. Meetings, D. None of these. So the right answer would be, it is A. Discussion. A written work by a student to demonstrate some literary or linguistic knowledge is termed as dash. A. Demonstration, B. Comprehension, C. Composition, D. Homework. Right answer is composition. When the teacher checks the student's work using multiple sources of information, the task is called A. Cross-checking, B. Cross-making, C. Cross-cutting, D. None of these. So the right answer would be, it is cross-checking. When a learner is learning to satisfy his needs and wants, he is actually doing A. Cognitive learning, B. Sensory learning, C. Experiential learning. D. Behavioral learning. So the right answer would be it is C. Experiential learning. In a day, students formally present material, then respond to questions from the audience. A. Dialogue. B. Discussion. C. Symposium. And D. Seminar. So the right answer would be it is symposium. All the verbal and non-verbal communications between teachers and students are called A. Signals. B. Gestures. C. Hints. D. Dialogues. The right answer would be it is signals. A is correct. An old but effective teaching strategy is dash. A. Read aloud. B. Reading. C. Silent reading. D. All of these. So the right answer would be it is A. Read aloud. Dash is a method where the students ask questions each other during presentations. A. Pair classification. B. Oral questioning. C. Pair questioning. D. Pair tutoring. So the right answer is going to be it is pair questioning. C is correct. The most important duty of a teacher is dash. A. Complete the syllabus. B. Maintain discipline in the class. Understanding the student. And D. Teach well. The right answer is complete the syllabus. So I hope that you people have enjoyed the MCQs and also watch all the other MCQs related to pedagogy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.